So I just got my new National Geographic's Rock Tumbler Hobby Edition in the mail. I'm excited to use it. I actually know nothing about rocks, so I'm going to learn about this process with you. It came with a whole bunch of really big rocks. I'm going to figure out what they are. But I've already picked out the small rocks because I don't want to mix those in with the big rocks because I feel that they will crack it. So we're going to put those to the side. And then we're going to start with step 1. And then clearly we'll go to step 2, 3, and 4. But I'm excited to learn about this process. But I do not have enough of these small or these big rocks with this kit, so I'm actually going to go and select some that my friend Jason gave me. He's actually a really nice guy. He actually bought me this kit and gave me all these rocks, and I met him on the beach looking at piping plovers, and he's become a big bird enthusiast. So these are the rocks that my friend Jason gave me, and I'm going to actually make a selection from this pile of rocks to add to this first tumbling session. There's some pretty awesome rocks in here. So it says to fill it half full to 3/4, so I'm just gonna come through and I'm gonna pick some of the rocks here that I think look interesting, and we'll see how this turns out. We'll go downstairs maybe and take a look at the specific rocks that I'm actually picking. I don't want to pick anything that's too sharp. We will pick a couple of beach stones that have been found. Oh. Well, that's about. And we'll take one from this. There we go. Well, we'll grab a couple more because this one looks really cool. It's purpley. And we'll throw this one in. Here are the rocks that I've picked. We'll take a closer look at them. So these are the ones that came in the pack. So these ones here were the ones that were provided to me, and these were the ones that I'm picking. Although I have to check the hardness of this one before I put it in, but I kind of want to see what happens to this one. There. So we're gonna pour step 1 course in. I wish I knew actually what it was. Maybe I shouldn't rip it open with my teeth. could see this getting expensive. I have to keep buying one package at a time, so I'll try to figure out what it is. Now we'll fill it up with water and turn it on. 1 month later, we might have some cool rocks. We're going to set it for 7 days. And we'll be back. Oh, still have 6 days to wait. Oh, it's been 7 days. It's ready. Let's see what we have. We'll bring it upstairs though. So 7 days. Let's see what's happened here. The thing is though, I probably put rocks in and stones in that I shouldn't have. And some of them will probably be chipped and broken, but I don't know. I didn't want to jump in the shallow end. I wanted to jump into the deep end and see what was going to actually happen. So, the one thing I know is you're not supposed to do this in the sink. You're actually supposed to do it outside, but I'm a bit of a baby, so I didn't want to be outside since it's still a little bit cold. So I'm using this bucket so that if the stones aren't ready, I can pour it back in. Oh, that's not what I was expecting. They're all... I guess that's what I have to wash off. So let's see what's going on. We're going to take these rocks out. We're going to give them a little rinse. They do seem a lot smoother, so let's see what... Look at those. So now that everything has been washed and cleaned, this is the remnants of what I have. One rock has turned into a lot of little green pebbles, but the other ones are looking pretty cool. I'm excited to go on to stage 2 now. It's crazy how small these are now. I remember when this was pretty much full. There's one more stage. I have to put these foam pieces in there. They're reusable. I wonder what they do. Only 3 days this time. Well, 4 weeks ago, well, a little bit over 4 weeks ago, I put some rocks into here and we started tumbling. Now, they should be ready. Let's see what happens. Oh.